This graph actually shows all the night communities and shows a graphical depiction in which the more attached communities, so these are communities that have been deemed to fall into a category of highly attached, where a high percentage of residents are attached to the community, there's higher GDP growth in that community. And then as attachment goes down, you see lower GDP growth. Now, we have to be very careful here. A couple things we need to point out. First is we're not prepared to say one causes the other. We're not talking causality yet because we're in year 2. That means we have 2 data points. So again, the researchers in the room will know that we cannot go there yet. However, we know from Gallup's other work in the area, where there is more data, years and years and years of data, that it is in fact the attachment that happens first, and then the GDP growth happens after that. So it's something to keep in mind, and another part of this model that is worth paying attention to. The correlation, you know, for those in the room who care, is 0.431, which Gallup calls statistically significant and important. This is higher than it was last year, so we're using updated GDP figures and updated attachment figures. Last year it was 0.337. This year, even more of a connection there.